Hi, I'm Yen. I'm one of the senior designer from Senior Renovation. I'm here at our Wembley Renovation to show you the progress. We have now taken down all our roof tiles and have replaced them with a Colorbond roofing. And underneath the Colorbond roofing, we have our anti-con standard for all our re-roofing projects. So the two Velux window will create a nice feature above our dining area. Now that the roof coverings is on, we can proceed to glazing the windows. That will then bring us to the lock-up stage. Once the internal hard wall plaster is on, we can start doing the ceiling, then the cornices, and the flooring. Then we can proceed to fitting out the internal cabinetry like the kitchen, bathroom, powder room, and laundry. So the next exciting stage will be the installation of our new staircase with a powder room underneath it, which is accessible from the bedroom wing. We have waterproofed the entire floor of our ensuite area, including the toilet area in this instance, and this is the standard procedure for us in all our upper story addition in the wet areas. Like our ensuite area, we have waterproofed the entire floor area of our balcony, including floorways, to get rid of the rainwater. We have added a double-sided glazing bar to our front elevation window to enhance the character of the home and blend in with the front facade. Just adding another layer of detail to our front elevation.